top, she screams. I put her out like a light, she'll be out for the night soon as I had her hit the pillow sweet. Wake her up about 30 minutes later, calling me the Terminator. Let's go again. Red zone, I'ma get a first down. Call me Luda Drew Brees, I throw it in. Touchdown. He scores. Ludacris the MVP. With a rack like that and a back like that, CC better CC. Cause them legs just keep on going. So I got up, put it up bed. Let the 808 thump and the beat go bump. Cause you ride it like a thoroughbred.
It's not the same as when I was punched. In the old days there was enough. The card games and these with the bitter soul of blood. I was in but I won out. My mother's love is choking me. I'm sick of words that hang above my head. What about the kid? It's time the kid got free, free, free.
Another day in the ghetto. One look outside and I'm already upset, yo. It look about 102. It's a Saturday and Biggie ain't got nothing to do. I'm interrupted by a phone ring. Sometimes I wish I never got the motherfucking thing. Hello, hello, can I speak to Biggie? Yo, who this? Tanisha, yo, call back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little later? Washed up, got dressed, hits the elevator. Steps out, it's the same old scene. Dope fiend, crack fiend, eyewitness news team. I seen the honey with the butt looking butter soft. I know she look much better with the clothes up off. Sitting all thick with the ruby red lipstick. That's the one I got to get with. Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya?
Be a part of the love club. Everything will go for you.
Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya?
Go get punched for the love club. For the love club.
She said if I get with you, I got to get with your whole hood rat crew. What you think I do? Sling skins for a living? My name ain't November. This ain't Thanksgiving. You ain't Michael Bivins. Smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Do me, baby, I ain't down. My name ain't Tupac, I don't get around. You hitting this nigga, how that sound? First of all, you got me mixed up with somebody you done slept with. Hold up, that's my unitary shit. I got something slicker. Let me just sip up on this liquor. All I wanna do is smoke a little chronic, slam you like Onyx, and get you hooked on this Biggie Smalls phonics. 102, how to squeeze 22s in them Reebok shoes, huh? Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya?
Be a part of the love club. Everything will go for you.
Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya?
Go get punched for the love club. For the love club.
I said, walk me upstairs, cause I forgot my Phillies. She said, I don't care, just don't be acting silly. I knew I had a trap with my hardcore rap. And it wouldn't take a second before I had her on the back, twiddling with the brush strap. Threw on my silk CD, cause I wanna get freaky with you. Lose control on the skins is all I could picture. Now I'm about to hit ya.
Your clothes are soaked and you don't know where to go. So drop your chin and take yourself back home. And roll out your maps and papers. Find out your hiding places again.
Can I get with ya? You big booty bitch, come on.